What we should keep in mind while buying a one-piece toilet seat.
When buying a one-piece toilet seat, there are several important factors to consider. Here are some things to keep in mind.
Size and shape. One-piece toilet seats come in different sizes and shapes, so you need to make sure that the one you choose fits your toilet bowl. Measure the length and width of your toilet bowl before making a purchase.
Comfort. Look for a seat with a comfortable shape and size, and one that is ergonomically designed. Self-closing toilet seats are also a popular feature as they close slowly and quietly, reducing the risk of injury or damage.
Material. One-piece toilet seats can be made from different materials, such as plastic, wood, or ceramic. Each material has its pros and cons, so choose one that fits your budget, style, and durability requirements.
Features. Look for additional features such as quick-release hinges, which make cleaning easier, and built-in antimicrobial protection, which can help prevent the growth of bacteria and other germs.
Brand and price. Choose a reputable brand and consider your budget. You don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money on a toilet seat, but don't compromise on quality or features just to save a few dollars. By considering these factors, you can find a one-piece toilet seat that is comfortable, durable, and easy to maintain.
तो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, ताकि ऐसी ही वीडियो आपके लिए बनाता रहूं और आपको दिखाता रहूं और मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। तो अभी के लिए आपसे लेता हूं इजाज़त। मिलते हैं जल्द ही एक नई वीडियो के साथ, और आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बता सकते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप किस प्रोडक्ट पर चाहते हैं। जल्द से जल्द उसी प्रोडक्ट पर मैं आपके लिए वीडियो लेकर आऊँगा। धन्यवाद।